Okay, welcome everybody.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. We've got a little something different to feature here. This is the Goat Guns miniature M1 Garand model. Well, the front of the box says toy, so I suppose it could identify either way. If you are a hobbyist that enjoys building models, replicas, or even just plain Legos, and we partake in all three, I would say that this would appeal to you. First, when I saw these, I figured this was marketed towards firearm gurus, law enforcement, and military. But because of their scale, their detail, and the display stands that are included, I feel these would fit in well with a broader audience. I've got the two sidekicks helping me here today. They were excited about this because it's been a while since I've had them in a video with me.
Or we could just watch it.
A little messy, but we got everything out here. I was surprised when I picked up the stock. It was actually metal and not wood. The appearance was deceiving. Inside the box is the tray with all the pieces, along with a business card, a couple decals, instructions, and another card that appears something to be like a scratch-off ticket of some sort.
Stop. Trigger.
Okay. Nope. It's upside down because the trigger is going to be like this. So I'm guessing, which is different from the way the real one assembles. But all right, let's see the instructions. What's next?
Let's see. It says. Here, let's show the camera.
Let me see. Oh,
Attach the receiver. Look,
I want to do something.
you just attach it. Attach the receiver C by sliding the stock into the metal collar located at the.
Here, I need your help with this. Okay. All right. This goes into there. These go together. You see that? It goes in there like that.
Is there already one gun?
No, push it down. This is weird.
It says.
This is very interesting. Especially after doing this so many times with the real one. Something's not right here. All right, let's try it again. Put that into there. Let it.
Smush it on
I don't know why it's not going in there.
Sound like a pancake.
So, okay, there it goes. What the heck? Maybe it's just supposed to sit there until you put the screws in.
Yeah.
I don't know why that keeps shifting.
Probably because you have to put the screws in. Where are the screws at?
They're in that bag. I guess it doesn't make a difference if the action is forward or not. There we go. All right. Which screw goes in first, the front or the back?
F. Front. It says F.
Take your screwdriver and put it in there and turn it to the right. Oddly enough, these screws are tiny hex heads. They're not flathead or Phillips head like I would have expected. Anymore. It gets tight. Okay.
Pull back a bolt.
What's that?
And then you put this. And then you put that in there, like that. Like that.
Can they see the...
It should. Are these individual rounds?
No, they're not. Don't. They're not. No, don't. Oh, it goes like this. Look. I think. There. I put it in there.
This section is sped up a little bit. It's just more me fiddling with the ammo and the clip. I couldn't get the clip to do the classic ping, even though it felt like it was seated all the way inside the chamber. I was trying to get it to fly out. The clip release button on the side seems to be functional, and maybe it would if the clip were empty. So maybe I'll try it again later. Last thing here, attach your sling and you're good to go. Leather slings were used in World War II and are most often the ones we see in movies. To me, this is simply to amplify vintage appearances. My own Garand has a canvas sling, which is also period correct, but it's not as visually appealing, which makes sense why goat guns would go with a leather sling.
I'm gonna shoot.
So by comparison, if you don't have a real one of these, you would take this out.
Let's compare which one's we don't versus big. Let's see. Oh my, you're daddy and I'm him.
Yeah.
This could go like on your. Look at this go, because this is. That could go on your shoulder. What do we have to do with this? Do we have to take
We're just going to compare it.
How high it is?
Where's the bullets for this at?
In the bottom over there. I think we lost a leather strap somewhere. I think there's supposed to be another strap on this sling. See, this lever is that right there.
Mm-hmm. Is that what the bullets actually look like?
Yeah, but it doesn't automatically pop out when you have a full clip. It just shoots them. There's your old safety.
Where?
Right here. Right there, but if you had a little tiny finger, you could put it in there and push the safety off.
I have a tiny finger.
Yeah. See if you can fit it in there. See if you can push the trigger.
I did.
Can it fit? No, it's in there. Yeah. There you go.
Ow.
So this is your rear sights, and that actually does move up and down, just like the real deal here. The gas plug. The sights look pretty accurate, except on mine, of course, it's silver instead of black.
Like a security guard, like this.
Yeah.
That. Shoot people if they rob them. Can we put this in our room, but not that one, the bigger one? Not the bigger one. That tiny one. Huh? What, Daddy?
Yeah, if you can find somewhere to put it up there. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. A thumbs down if you don't. Drop me some comments, and we'll see you in the next one.